So for number 22, you might be thinking that you can't make a connection between those two angles, but you actually can make a conclusion in this problem. So it says that we're trying to figure out if AC is parallel to DF. Well, 143 and 37, those two angles don't have a relationship with each other, but if we think about unit 2, we kind of recall back to what we learned last unit. I know that in a linear pair, there has to be two adjacent angles that add up to be 180. So if I kind of think of like what I have up here, I'm looking at that straight line. So if the right side is 143, the left side has to be 180 minus 43. Well, that would make this 37 degrees. So because that's 37, this and this are actually corresponding angles. They're in the same position as each other in that group of 4 that they're in. So since those are equivalent, those are congruent, there's a theorem that states if those lines were parallel, then corresponding angles are congruent. And so since they are congruent, I can say that yes, they are parallel. And the theorem I used would be corresponding angles are congruent. I also used my linear pair postulate in the beginning.